નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 10 of standard 5th mathematics, chapter 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. See, from today onwards, we are going to learn factors also. Till this day, actually we were trying to understand the multiples only, isn't it? From today onwards, we are going to learn factors also. That is why the name of the chapter is what? Be my multiple, I will be your factor. Okay. Actually, multiple and factor both are exactly same thing. If you can understand multiples, then it is very easy to understand factors. So it is not a hard thing, okay, hard task, not need to worry about. But before that, let me tell you, you must have recited the tables, isn't it? Now let's discuss about our last part. In the last part, what did we do? Can anybody say? In the last part, what did we do? Okay, in the last part, actually, we made some groups of bagels, isn't it? And hence, we could come to know that we can make some groups of such number of bagels, and those groups are the multiples of that number. That would be discussed in the last part. Now in this part, see, it is a fill the chart. This is a multiplication chart. This is multiplication sign, and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. Okay. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3 up to 12 is there. This is a multiplication chart, and in which you can see 12, number 12. See, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Total 6 times. Total 6 times 12 is there. Can you see that? Now, actually, what is that? See, look at the, before starting this, let me tell you, you must open your textbook. Keep open your textbook. It should be on the, you should be on the page number 95. So, keep it open. Keep a sharpened pencil with you. Why? Because we are going to fill this multiplication table today. In this part or in the next part. But let's try to understand first. Now, read this one. Look at the green boxes in the chart. In your chart, look these green boxes, and there is a digit or number, that is 12. We can get 12 by multiplying different numbers. We can get 12 by multiplying. Now let's see how the 12 we can get. Can you see, this is a row. See, these are row. That you know. These are the columns. Okay, and we will multiply that row number with this column number. Okay, hence we will get that number. Suppose, see, this is 12 number row and column number is 1, isn't it? So 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. Same way, see, this is row number 6 and column number is 2. So 6 2s are 12. Do you get this idea? Now why 12 over here? See, 4 3s are 12. This 12, 3 4s are 12. Now why is it so over here? See, 2 6 are 12. And why is it so? See, 1 multiplied by 12. You can see from here, see, this is 1 multiplied by 12. That is also once again 1 12s are 1. Okay. So hence we could get 6 times 12 by multiplying different numbers. Isn't it? Now, see, 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. isn't it? Let me write this one. See, if it is 12, then how could we get 12? See, that is, can you see this box over here? That is 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. Then 6 multiplied by 2, that is also 12. And 1 multiplied by 12, that is also 12. Okay, now look into this. 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. So 12 is a multiple of both 4 and 3. 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. So now listen to me very carefully and try to understand multiples and factors. Okay, actually by this time only we are understanding multiples and factors. See, 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. That is why we can say 12 is a multiple of both. Both means 12 is a multiple of 4 as well as 12 is a multiple of 3. Now, if 12 is equal to 6 multiplied by 2, then 12 is a multiple of both, that is 6 and 2. 12 is a multiple of 6 as well as 12 is a multiple of 2. Same way, 12 is equal to 1, 12 is a 12, isn't it? That is why 12 is a multiple of both 1 and 12. Okay, so it is written over here 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, so 12 is a multiple of both 4 and 3. 12 is also a multiple of 6 and 2 as well as 12 and 1. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are factors. So, see, 12 actually is a multiple of 4, 3, 2, 6, 2, 4, 3, 6, 2, 1 and 12, isn't it? So 12 is a multiple of 4, 3, 1, 6, 2, 1, 12, isn't it? Now, in the vice versa, if you will say in the from here, then we can say, see, these are 4, 3, 6, 2, 1 and 12 are factors of 12. Do you get? Now let me write down over here. Therefore, see, I am writing in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. So I hope you must have got this idea. In this way, we can say, see, 12 is a multiple of this much, then these are the factor of 12. 12 is a multiple of these numbers, then these numbers are factor of 12. Very easy. Okay, so we got the idea of multiple and factors. Okay, now same way, look into this table. See, here there is 21 is there, 21. Then how did they get this 21? See, now you can see 21 is somewhere over here. 7 here it is 21, isn't it? Then 7, 3. 7, 3 are 21. So I should put 21 over here. Okay. Then one more number, 20 is there. 20 is there. How is it so? See, 4 5s are 20, isn't it? Then 40 is there. And where can I put 40? Can you say? See, 10 4s are 40, isn't it? It is simple multiplication. One more number, 72 is there. Now 17 is 9 See, 9 8 are 72. So 9 exact 72, and one more number 66 is there. See, 6 and 11. 6 11s are 66. So I should write 66 over here, isn't it? Sorry. In this way, we are going to fill this complete table. Okay, after completing this table, we will go for some questions. We will go for these questions in the next part. So first of all, in the next part, once again, we will do this activity. We will fill this table. We will go for the multiplying these numbers. Okay, and then after, we will answer this question in the next part. By this time, just to try to understand the multiple and factors only. And if you could understand the multiple and factor, that is more than enough. Okay, so let's see once again. See, 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12, 1 12 is 12. So 12. The answer is 12. Of all this multiplication, the answer is 12, isn't it? So all this multiplication, so 12. By doing this all multiplication, answer is 12. That is why 12 is a multiple of these numbers. 12 is a multiple of these numbers, isn't it? अब उसका उल्टा बोले, these numbers are factor of 12. These numbers are factor of 12. उसका उल्टा बोले 12 is a multiple of these numbers. थोड़ा समझने की ट्राई करना, ये समझ लेना. In the next part we will meet and we will go for this multiplication. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.